Hey yo, it's Skippy from down under, Queensland, Australia. This is the bathrooms I'm grouting up this morning. There's a couple of different textures. That's a very nice texture. That is a feature wall. Grouting is always different, and there's a lot more to grouting than people think. It's not just a slap it on, wipe it off, Charlie. And every tile is different. Every wall, every type of tile is different to grout. Little bit of glue. This tile that I'm doing, being a matte finish, it seems a little bit, it soaks. It's a ceramic tile and it soaks up the grout, so I haven't left it too long, but as I'm wiping, I'm concentrating on those lines all the time, because when you're wiping off, it's very easy, if you're not watching your lines, to get thick and thin, and that's what you don't want. You want a nice even flow of grout line, nice and smooth with the tile. Nice and flush. And you rub it in such a way that it ends up nice and flush and even. An even grout line is the key. Okay, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell. Do us a comment in the comments column. Any question you'd like to know, just ask me, and I will endeavour to answer as soon as possible. We'll see ya. Bye.